Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to bold a text in Microsoft Word. So get it started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, then show the Word document file is I will show that in this video. Text a bold. Now select from the any text option. This text is the bold. Now going to the home menu option, then click for the bold option. That's it. Then again another process. Now select from the text. Now keyboard press from the Control V. That's it. Then again others process. Now for select. Now click for the mouse right button option. Then click for the bold option. That's it. Then I show the bold text in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.